Ever feel like your vlogs just don't quite pop? The blurry footage, shaky handheld shots, it can leave viewers feeling like they just got off a roller coaster they didn't pay for. But fear not, because this video is your one-stop shop for the 6 hottest vlogging cameras of this year, guaranteed to elevate your content from bleh to bam. The products mentioned here are not in exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end to find your perfect match. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. So let's get started. Number 6. Insta360 Go3. The Insta360 Go3 might be the size of your thumb, but don't let its pint-sized stature fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch with its incredible image stabilization, perfect for capturing those on-the-go adventures. Imagine, you're hurtling down a mountain bike trail, wind whipping through your hair, yet your vlog footage remains smooth and watchable, thanks to the Go3's flow state stabilization. Plus, its waterproof design lets you vlog anywhere, from the heart of the Amazon rainforest to a spontaneous splash fight with your friends. The Go3 also boasts some cool features specifically designed for vloggers. Its voice control lets you start and stop recording with just a shout. Ideal for those times when your hands are full, like, say, while clinging onto dear life on that aforementioned mountain bike trail. And its innovative horizon leveling ensures your shots are always perfectly straight, even if you're filming from a precarious angle. Now, the trade-off for this compact wonder is image quality. The Go3 doesn't boast the highest resolution on this list, but for vloggers who prioritize portability, durability, and ease of use, the Insta360 Go3 is a tiny titan waiting to be unleashed. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Calling all adrenaline junkies and adventure vloggers, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is your new best friend. This action camera legend gets even better in 2024, boasting unparalleled image stabilization thanks to its mind-blowing Hypersmooth 5.0 technology. Whether you're skydiving, snowboarding, or just having a particularly enthusiastic dance session, your footage will remain butter smooth. But the Hero 11 Black isn't just about surviving the bumps and grinds. It also delivers stunning image quality with its high-resolution sensor and impressive low-light capabilities. Capture those epic pre-dawn hikes or late-night city explorations in vibrant detail. Plus, the Hero 11 Black offers a wide range of shooting modes, giving you the flexibility to experiment and create truly unique vlogs. The downside? The Hero 11 Black isn't the most user-friendly camera for beginners. Its small form factor might take some getting used to, and its menus can be a bit overwhelming. But for vloggers who crave adventure and exceptional image quality in a compact package, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is the ultimate action hero companion. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. For vloggers who crave a balance between portability, power, and ease of use, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compelling option. This feature-packed gimbal camera offers exceptional image stabilization and a compact design that lets you capture smooth, professional-looking footage anywhere you go. The Osmo Pocket 3 boasts a large 1-inch sensor that delivers stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. Its integrated 3-axis gimbal ensures your footage remains shake-free, no matter how bumpy your adventures get. Plus, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers a variety of intelligent shooting modes, like Active Track, which automatically keeps your subject in focus, and Time Lapse, which lets you condense long events into captivating short clips. The Osmo Pocket 3 also caters specifically to vloggers with its built-in touchscreen display that allows for intuitive control and framing of your shots. Its directional microphone ensures your voice is crisp and clear, even in crowded environments. Plus, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers a variety of accessories, like a wireless microphone and a waterproof case, allowing you to expand your vlogging capabilities further. The trade-off here is battery life. The Osmo Pocket 3 might require carrying an extra battery for extended shooting sessions. Additionally, while the touchscreen is intuitive, it might not offer the same level of granular control as some larger cameras. But for vloggers who prioritize portability, exceptional stabilization, and a range of intelligent features, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the pocket director waiting to unleash your creativity. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GH6. Calling all aspiring filmmakers and tech-savvy vloggers, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a beast of a camera, offering exceptional video capabilities and a level of customization that will have you feeling like a director on set. It boasts a high-resolution sensor that captures stunning detail, even in low-light situations. Plus, the GH6 offers professional-grade features like internal 5.7K ProRes RAW recording for those who crave maximum creative freedom in post-production. But the GH6 isn't just about raw power. It also delivers incredible performance for vlogging. Its in-body image stabilization keeps your footage smooth, even when handheld, and its fully articulated touchscreen lets you frame your shots perfectly, even from awkward angles. Plus, the GH6 offers a wide range of ports and connectivity options, allowing you to plug in external mix, lights, and monitors, ideal for vloggers who create more elaborate productions. However, the GH6 isn't for everyone. It's a complex camera with a hefty price tag. Its smaller body might also feel less comfortable for long vlogging sessions compared to some other options. But for those who crave the ultimate in creative control and professional-grade video features, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is the powerhouse pro you've been waiting for. Number 2. Canon EOS R50. If you're a content creator who juggles between vlogging, photography, and social media creation, then the Canon EOS R50 might be your perfect match. This sleek and stylish mirrorless camera strikes a beautiful balance between portability, image quality, and user-friendliness. The EOS R50 boasts a high-resolution sensor that captures gorgeous photos and detailed videos. Its autofocus system is lightning-fast and accurate, ensuring your subject remains sharp, even if they're moving around. Plus, the EOS R50 offers fantastic built-in microphones and a flip-out touchscreen, perfect for recording high-quality audio and framing your vlogs on the go. But where the EOS R50 truly shines is its user-friendliness. The menus are clear and easy to navigate, and the camera offers a variety of automatic shooting modes that make capturing stunning footage a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, the EOS R50 boasts excellent connectivity features, allowing you to seamlessly share your content across social media platforms. The trade-off here lies in battery life. The EOS R50, like many mirrorless cameras, might require carrying extra batteries if you plan on long vlogging sessions. Additionally, while the autofocus is great, it might not be quite as robust as some of the more professional options on this list. But for vloggers who prioritize ease of use, excellent image quality, and seamless social media integration, the Canon EOS R50 is the content creator's dream come true. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. Finally, we have the reigning champion in the vlogging world, the Sony ZV-E1. This mirrorless camera is specifically designed for vloggers and offers a winning combination of image quality, portability, and features tailored for on-the-go content creation. The ZV-E1 boasts a large sensor that delivers stunning visuals with beautiful bokeh, background blur for those cinematic-looking shots. Its autofocus system is top-notch, locking onto your face and keeping you in sharp focus, even when you're moving around or talking to someone off-camera. Plus, the ZV-E1 comes equipped with a fantastic directional microphone that captures clear audio, even in noisy environments. But the ZV-E1's magic lies in its thoughtful vlogging features. Its built-in ND filter helps you achieve that dreamy, cinematic look on sunny days. The background defocus button instantly blurs your background for a professional touch. And the handy product showcase mode allows you to seamlessly transition from showcasing yourself to a product you're reviewing. Ideal for product reviewers and beauty bloggers. While the ZV-E1 might not offer the ultimate in customization compared to some pro-level options, it delivers exceptional image quality and a user-friendly experience perfectly tailored for vloggers. It might be a bit larger and heavier than some pocket-sized options, but the ZV-E1 remains a highly portable and versatile camera. There you have it, the top 6 vlogging cameras of 2024, each offering unique features and catering to different styles and budgets. Like this video? Let me know in the comments below which camera piqued your interest the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and creator content.